Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to MarineMax here in Georgia. I'm John Powell, and today we're going to take a quick look at our 2020 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. This is a real fantastic little runabout for you and your family. Comes with the optional bimini top, 40 horsepower outboard, and lots of space for getting in and taking your kids fishing or whatever you want to do. You can get some optional seats for this thing. This is the bench seat as it comes from the factory, but there are a couple of different options if you want something that's going to be a little bit more comfortable. One of the beauties of the 130 is that there are loads of little accessories that you can get for it. I mean, it is very, very customizable. For everything from a bow pad to the seats, as we mentioned. There's coolers, there's live wells, there's all kinds of things that you can add on to it. What's really also nice about this little boat is that it's extremely stable. You can stand right up here in the bow and fish, stand back in the back. You can have 4 people on 4 corners fishing out of this little boat, and it'll be just as stable and as safe as you could ever think of being. Anyway, if you'd like to see this, is a great way to get started into boating. It's a wonderful boat that'll last you just about 1,000,000 years if you decide you want to have it. Come on down and see it. You can find it at Baldridge Marina here at MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia. Again, I'm John Powell. Thank you for joining us, and look forward to seeing you.